My dear students, how are you? I think all of you are fine, though you are passing a pandemic situation still now. I am Ariful Hassan, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography. Again, welcoming all of you on our online classes. We are discussing chapter 16 and after last class we have completed 16 up to 16.3. That means last class we discussed about its causes, impacts and all the things related to the topic. Today we are going to start section 16.4, which is a familiar topic to you, road accident. And situation of road accident in context of Bangladesh. See, the road accident is a common phenomenon almost every country in the world, but the situation is terrible in Bangladesh. In 2001, the number of road accidents were 4091, and in 2002 it rose up to 4918. And see, and this ratio gradually is increasing, and the statistics which I have mentioned, it is given by the Highway Police of Bangladesh, statistics of Highway Police of Bangladesh. And see, the accident which occurred in between 2002 and 2004, out of the total victims, 50.58% victims died out of the total road accidents, and 38.10 got severe injury, and 11.32% got light injury. So this is the situation of road accident in respect to Bangladesh, and the rate of road accident in respect to Bangladesh is gradually increasing. Now, the causes of road accident. It's a very easy topic. If I ask you if it was possible to interaction with you, or there is a physical class, you can see lots of problem or causes or the reason for what road accident are taking place in Bangladesh. First, we'll see the inexperienced and untrained drivers. In Bangladesh, maximum cases, drivers are inexpert and untrained, and for this reason, they are not following the rules and regulations and laws for driving, and they drive in extremely high speed, and result is the road accident. And see, overload. In our country, most of the truck drivers of our country overload the truck with goods. Again, in some cases, they carry passengers when get chance. The use of trucks in different activities like participating in the rally, procession or sports by the students sometimes also causes a road accident. And see, overload, and it's a risk for causing road accident. Addicted driver. In our country, maximum cases truck driver are addicted. That means when drunk driver are driving recklessly, and road accidents are taking place in Bangladesh. Less educated owners, those who are the owners of the transport or vehicles, in our country, they are not highly educated, they are less educated person, those are the owner, and they want to make more profit within short period of time, and they are giving advice their inexperienced or untrained drivers to carry more passenger for more profit, and for that reason also road accident taking place in our country. Not to use the zebra crossing or foot overbridge. In our country, we are not sincere while we are crossing the road. We are not using the zebra crossing or foot overbridge, and we are not looking right or left. Without doing this one, we are passing the road, and result is road accident. Defective design and bad constructions. When those are engaged in this sector, construction of road, they are making road with a defective design, and also construction is not good. As a result, road accidents are taking place. Zigzag road. Due to the fragmented land ownership in our country, when government is acquiring the land, they are taking land from different person. As a result, road are maximum cases zigzag, and result is when a vehicle of transport is going in a zigzag way, in that cases road accident take place. Drivers without license. Those are the owner of the transport, bus, car, or any transport. Sometimes they are appointing drivers who does not have any license with small salary or less salary, and they are also associate, or they are for that without license they are not expert, and result is road accident. Defective or unfit vehicles. Basically, is the unfit vehicles which already date expired, not fit for the road, but giving some illegal money to the authority. They are taking license for the vehicles, and these defective and unfit vehicles when running in the road accident taking place. Talking to driver while driving. It's a natural scene in our country when one driver is crossing the another driver. They are talking each other, and as a result, road accident also taking place. Competition among drivers. Reckless driving, when there is a competition among the drivers. For that reason, road accident also take place. So these are the causes of road accident. If you see the text properly, mentionable reasons are here. These are the mentionable reasons. Beside this reason, you also can mention some reasons. Now, next topic, the impacts of road accident. What is the impact of road accident? There is a great impact of road accident in our social life, economic life, in all aspects you can say. The impact of road accident on our family, social and economic life is severe, which is also responsible for many problems. First time, a victim, if the main person of a family for maintaining livelihood or earning person of the family, then dependent family members have to lead a miserable life and face financial crisis. Then you can say mental imbalance impact the personal life in many cases, in many ways. In some cases, it may turn into suicide. Addiction to drugs to reduce frustration. When a person injured severely cannot maintain a normal life, cannot lead a normal life, the person suffer from frustration, and for reducing the frustration, they are indulged in drugs. That means they are going to addicted to drugs gradually. Choose begging as a profession when there is the alternative to do, and the person is the only earning person in society. They are choosing beg to earn money, and it's a negative impact of the society. Some may associate with criminal activities for their living. When they cannot work normal way, they are associated with the criminal activities for their living purpose. So these are the impact of road accident. You can say, as per the statistical report of the highway, 24% road accident victims are between the age of 15 years and 39% are in between 16 to 50 years age. And see, next topic, the ways to keep road accident free and step to reduce the accident. That means what we have to do. What we have to do to reduce the road accident. You have learned the reason or causes, or you can say what are responsible for road accident. And now what we have to do. And if you write the problems, causes of the road accident in positive way, then you will get the idea to reduce the road accident or accident free and steps to reduce the risk. How we can reduce this one. First one, recruit drivers with proper education and training. Mobilize and encourage car drivers to follow traffic rules and drive cautiously by following regulations of signal, giving signs and speed. Motivate the drivers not to drive recklessly or not to drive under influence of addiction, not to transport with overloaded vehicle with too many goods or people, not to overtake and to follow the laws and regulations of roads. Taking steps to make a separate lane for heavy vehicles, constructing electrical signals at all points, establishing a modern and standard driving training institute, making a safe road network by reconstruction of risky road, culverts, bridge, etc. Taking appropriate steps and awareness program for not to carry passengers and goods on the top roof of the vehicle, not to engage with any competition with other vehicles. Before driving, prior checking of mechanical defects of the vehicles, etc. Awareness of the law, enforcing agencies to perform their duties, encouraging the public media to play their role in making people aware of the problems. Not constructing house, shops, markets besides the highways or drying up paddy, jute, etc. on the highway and keeping cattle on highways. Making the relevant organizations responsible while giving driving license or taking proper steps against fake license holder. Identify the alcohol drunken drivers through blood examination and without their license. So these are the ways by which we can make the road accident free, or this is the steps to reduce the accident in Bangladesh. Now last topic of road accident, that what we have to do, what is our duty as a citizen. As a citizen, what we have to do to make safe movements. First one, walking through the footpath, not crossing the road without looking left and right, not to talk with the driver while he or she is driving, familiarize the children with highways, access roads, semi-constructed route to prevent road accident. Sorry, here is 2 times already uttered. One should cut. We should be careful about our younger brothers and sisters. So these are the advice to you for our safe movements, so that we can save our from the road accident. And next class there will be a Zoom live class, and in that class we will discuss about the militancy and also the corruption, which is the last topic of this chapter. So by next class we will finish chapter 16. So you have to do some homework. You have to write as a homework causes of road accident. I have given the points and you have to explain each point, and by writing this one you have to submit to your respective subject teachers before the next class. Okay, best of luck. Thank you.